Let's take a look at the Agaro Imperial rice cooker. The Agaro Imperial electric rice cooker is very cute and comes in classy grey color. The handle on top makes it very easy to move it from one place to the other. It has 8 preset cooking functions to choose from, ranging from the type of rice to different methods of cooking like steam and baking. Gently press the button with one hand on the lid to open the rice cooker. The 2-liter capacity inner bowl comes with a good quality ceramic coating. The lid comes with a removable hinge top cover and the base has the heating plate. Make sure you always keep it dry and clean before using the rice cooker. The steamer basket can be used to steam veggies, momo or any similar steam preparation. There's a steam vent on top. Do not touch it while food is being cooked. It also comes with 2 serving spoons. The serving spoons can be placed on one side of the cooker as shown. You also get a measuring cup with this rice cooker. You can cook 3 such cups of raw rice in this pressure cooker in one go. There is a condensate collector at the back. After using the pressure cooker, remove the condensate collector, empty it and place it back. The detachable power cable makes it very convenient to store this rice cooker when not in use. The start button can be used to switch on and off the rice cooker. Using the menu button, you can choose from the different menu options available on the rice cooker. The cooker auto-adjusts temperature and timing for optimal cooking. After choosing the desired function, press the start button. You will see moving lines on the screens that shows food is being cooked. Press cancel to cancel the operation or you can use the keep warm button. Keep warm can keep your food warm up to 24 hours and after cooking the food, the rice cooker automatically switches to keep warm mode. Using the preset button, you can delay your cooking. You can delay your cooking up to 24 hours. Whatever time you select on your preset mode, that is the time you will get your cooked food after. First, select the cooking mode you want to select using the menu button and then press on preset. You can adjust the time in hours and minutes and press start. In this example, the food will be done in 2 hours and 50 minutes. You may check out the instruction manual for more information about the rice cooker. Let's see some delicious recipes using the Agaro Imperial electric rice cooker. To make a cake, line the bottom of your container with a parchment paper. Prepare the cake batter using your favorite recipe and pour it in the container. Tap the container to remove the air bubbles and place inside the cooker. Close the lid and select cake from the menu options and wait till your cake is done. Insert a knife or a skewer in the middle of your cake to see whether it's cooked or not. Let it rest on your counter for a while and then remove it from the mold. You can make a nice fluffy spongy cake using your rice cooker. The steamer basket of this rice cooker can be used to make a variety of delicacies and I am making one of them. I am making a steamed vada recipe which is called as mothe. Here I have got soaked and ground tur dal into which I am adding some spices like ginger garlic paste, fennel, red chili, turmeric and some chopped onion and coriander. A little baking soda and salt to taste. All you need to do is mix and make cylindrical balls or you can make spheres out of this. The shape totally depends on you. It's healthy and delicious. Can be served as a snack or a main course. Boil some water in the rice cooker and place the steamer basket. You can grease the steamer basket and then place whatever you're steaming. Select the steam function and let the rice cooker do its job as per the time of your recipe. These are best served piping hot with a drizzle of oil and a bowl of curry. I am making prawn pulao, so here I have got 1.5 cups basmati rice. If you want to use quick mode, you can soak your rice before using the rice cooker. Heat some oil, saute some onion. Here the recipe could be as per your comfort and choice. I am adding some ginger garlic paste and I am going to add a few more spices to make my prawn pulao. In goes the soaked rice, a little turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala. Stir the pulao rice and then add water. For 1.5 cup basmati rice, I am using 2 1/4 cup water. You can use water as per the variety of rice that you're using. In goes prawn and some chopped mint leaves and salt. To make the prawn pulao, I am using the quick cook mode because I have already soaked the rice. However, for basmati rice, you can use the long grain mode. After the pulao is ready, the rice cooker will switch to the keep warm mode, which you may cancel if you want. This rice cooker is great for small families and bachelors. Let's see how to clean the Agaro Imperial electric rice cooker. To clean the steam vent, pull it from the rice cooker. You can wash it with liquid soap and let it dry before placing it back. Remove the top hinged cover, wash it with liquid soap and water, wipe it dry and place it back. Since the inner tub has ceramic coating, do not use any harsh scrub. Use a soft sponge and liquid soap to clean and wash it. Let it dry or wipe it dry with a cloth before placing it back in the cooker. Now you can cook not only perfectly steaming hot rice but also many more dishes every time with the Agaro Imperial rice cooker.